In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields for a Jira project. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to enhance your project management capabilities, adding custom fields can significantly help in tracking specific data that's unique to your workflow. Let's dive in and see how you can seamlessly integrate custom fields into your Jira projects. First, you need to navigate to the right area within Jira. Begin by going to the Jira settings, which you'll find located in the top right corner of your screen. This is your control center where you can adjust configurations and customize your Jira environment to better suit your project's needs. Once you've accessed the settings, the next step is to focus on the Issues section. Within this section, you'll want to select Screens. Think of screens as the interface that controls what fields users can interact with when creating or editing issues. This is where we'll be adding our custom fields, so it's crucial to get acquainted with this area. Now you'll need to identify the specific screen that your project is currently utilizing. For many users, this might be something standard like the default issue screen. Each screen corresponds to different issue types and helps organize the way information is displayed for your specific workflows. It's important to know which screen you're modifying to ensure you're making changes in the right place. After pinpointing the correct screen, look to the right hand side. You should see a set of 3 dots. This is your action menu. Click on those dots, which will reveal a drop down, and select Configure. This is your gateway to customizing what fields appear on your chosen screen. Now that you're in the configuration area, it's time to add your custom field. You'll see a drop down labeled Select Field. Click on this drop down menu. Here you can choose from a list of fields available to add to this screen. Simply select the desired custom field that you want to incorporate into your project. This customization allows you to tailor what information is captured during your project management processes, making Jira more aligned with your unique project demands. Adding custom fields can enhance your data tracking capabilities, allowing you to maintain a better overview of your projects and make informed decisions based on that data. With these steps, you're well on your way to making Jira work more effectively for your team's specific requirements. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding custom fields in Jira. Hopefully you'll find this process as easy as it sounds, enabling you to better manage and organize your projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.